Okay, it's Friday, February 4th, just following up on Microsoft, and now we are breaking out above the intraday high. As anticipated, it took a while. The initial buy here at 304.17, price moved up. We've just paused for close to an hour actually, so it took a while, but now we're breaking out above. And now the question is this really going to turn into, it's right at, if you know, it's right at the close to the halfway point of yesterday, and this was kind of a crazy bar anyway. You can see it's kind of a new, definitely went down, but then it's kind of a neutral bar here, and maybe we just broaden out lower, and it's a big trading range in here, and taking out the 50% of this bar, we're going to be heading up to the top before the day's over. I mean, that's possible. It's a Friday afternoon. A lot of other stocks are starting to rally, but it's not the strongest market. So it's not the type of trade, it's not the type of expectation that you really have starting all the way down at below 300 overnight and then coming up here just to the halfway point, and then, on a Friday afternoon working all the way back up to the top. But it is possible, and a lot of those 50% moves kind of happen early in the session where the price just, you test that low early, and then your first move of the day and then it gives you all day to work up there. So, it's hard to expect that. If anything, we might have just taken out this high and that's it. But either way, it's a good entry, good no-risk trade now, and it did work its way up to the first target. So now you just have to watch and see for the remaining 3 hours, is this going to really rally strongly with the overall market and become a 3-day on the daily chart here, taking out the halfway point of this bar and then projecting up to the, maybe to take out the top of the bar. If not, we get kind of a 3-2-2 reversal type of thing starting early next week to take out those highs. So either way, it's kind of looking bullish for Microsoft, and at least in terms of intraday effort here, this first push up with an orderly pause did give an opportunity to kind of get in early, to test those highs as a first target, and then see what develops going forward.